everyone, it's Fjordström. If you follow me on Twitter, then you probably know that my AirPods case flew out of my pocket while biking. And I actually only noticed 1 minute later, so I biked back and luckily they were still there. But sadly, of course, the case itself isn't as beautiful as it was when I bought it, or even just, just the moment before it fell. And resulting in scuffs over here, so even a dent, quite serious dent actually, but it's still fine. And over here as well, it still survived, the hinge is still working fine, and as you notice over here, there's just one AirPod left. Both of them flew out of the case, and this one I could still recover. It was just lying a bit further. Luckily, no one stole it, but it has just a few small dents, but actually it's really fine. It still works even. But the other one, that one had a bigger problem. It was run over by a car. This is my very first accident that I had with an Apple device as well. So, anyway, somehow on the positive side, it's nice to see what's in it or how it looks inside. Yeah, I had to of course ask for a replacement, and actually the replacement process is actually quite easy. So you just go to the website, you have to log in with your Apple ID, then you have to still enter your serial number, then you have to tell what you want to replace, your left earbud, your right one. Now, so I ordered it last Friday and today's Tuesday and it arrived. It came unexpected in this huge box. Just wanted to make a video about this because it's a bit funny. So let's open it. So actually it comes in this packaging that was inside a carton, and then we have a letter over here saying do not send the defect one, so do not send this one back, and just recycle it or throw it away in the most environmentally friendly way, which is, we have a recycling program for this here in our country. So this here, I will have to carefully put it away and indeed recycle it. Now the replacement unit is just the same warranty as the one that I'm replacing, so it's not like extending anything, or at least 90 days of the date of repair. Okay, so let's just open it up. Now apparently it comes with one more envelope just in case you would have to send it back, and then we have an Apple paper over here. Now this is a replacement program in manual, so if you have to exchange a product, you have to do it within 10 days. I must say though that they were really fast. Correction, I actually ordered it on Saturday night, so technically it only took 2 days to send, while they said it would take 3 to 5 days. So in that case, really happy with the service, and there it is. Okay, this is really weird to see an unboxing of just one AirPod, but yeah, that is it. And luckily, okay, good thing it's the same the same side. Just imagine if you ordered like one more left one, well actually it should have been the right one. Anyway, so just take this out, put it in here, okay. And now it's complete again. So now, yeah, look, 0%, so now it's charging my left AirPod, and that is somehow magical though. I mean, it's just immediately recognized that it's mine, and now it's in there. Now, price-wise though, this wasn't a cheap replacement. I had to pay for service. It costed 87 euros for replacement of my left AirPod. So my question for you now is, if you are in a similar situation as mine, what would you do? Would you pay 87 euros or $100 for a replacement AirPod, or would you spend double or even 150% to buy AirPods Pro or any other new kind of Bluetooth headset? Let me know in the comment section below. Personally, as it was just one AirPod, I decided to stick with it. If the case itself was also broken, then I would have simply just gone for a new AirPods Pro, because that was the perfect excuse to buy the newest AirPods. But it was just one AirPod, so I'd rather pay 87 euros than 279 or 259 depending on the promotion. It's only just 1 year old. It would have been a shame to throw the whole thing away just to have new AirPods. Now what would have helped is AirPods cases, and actually I have one. I have actually 3 of them, and I already made a video about this if you just search on my channel for my AirPods case video. And this actually is a good one. I've used it during whole of winter, but now as I didn't want to wear a backpack and it's too warm to wear a jacket, I just took off the case, put it in my pockets, and clearly it was a bad idea. So anyway, new AirPods cases are coming very soon as well, so I'll definitely make a video of that. Thank you for watching today, and see you in the next video.